Hey guys, welcome back to Billionaire Challenge. This is the second week of our analysis program for you, okay? So as we know, last week was the FOMC meetings. The Powell decided to not change the interest rate, and even the Wall Street Week in Bloomberg now, as you can see, they keep talking about the investing amid election risk, and there's not much volatility in the market. The VIX index is also low. And we also know that even Forex and gold market, they didn't move so much. It's only moving ranging, especially when the Powell gave the statement of he tried to hold the interest rate to support the economy, right? So today I'm also looking to my portfolio. I made about $6,000 from 50K, as you can see on the screen, but I went through a very rough day also with the A Club Academy member. For now I lose about 3,000 plus. So our capital now is around $53,000, and hopefully the third week of September can be very nice to us and we can make money. So I'm going to make analysis about gold market and also another US dollar pair like Canadian dollars or maybe pound yen. I'm thinking to switch from gold to another Forex. As you know, last week I have been trying to trade lot of pairs, including in live trading with price session workshop member, with A Club Academy member, and also we did trade during the FOMC meetings. It's not really good day for trading the time, and hopefully that next week 3 of September and week 4 I can make another $10,000 and make my account to $60,000 for this September. So I'll show you my analysis for next week, but remember, this analysis is not for you, it's for me. And if you want to see how I make analysis, hopefully you follow the disclaimer. I'm not taking any responsibility for your losses because you're looking to this video, you're watching this program. All the analysis is for me because this is my own challenge. If you're not really understand about the financial astrology and about the cycle or maybe about the price action, I humbly request do not follow this analysis. At least do not try this at home, because I have my own trading style. I know what I'm doing, and I always update all the price movement in our Billionaire Club, the A Club Academy members. So if you're interested to join the A Club Academy member to get my updates, the education, how to enter market with this kind of time trading, time cycles, just call this number, all right, and join to our club. I'm really afraid if you just jump to this video and copy whatever I'm doing, and there is another market deviation that invalidates my analysis, and finally you can lose your money because of doing copying of my analysis without any updates. All right, hopefully this is very clear for you. I will share my analysis for this, and let's see what is the best strategy for next week in gold market. Alright guys, before we do analysis for next week gold and another Forex pairs, let's do some review of our episode 1, the Billionaire Challenge for gold trading plan. So that time, I believe that gold will move in an upside movement, as you can see in the screen. If you're not subscribed yet, just subscribe our channel, Astronacci International, to get more update on this video. So that time, Moon, Mercury, and Venus cycle, it's showing me that the gold will moving upward since 31st of August. Then the closing price on the 14th of September will be higher than the 31st August. So if you're looking to the chart, I make a mark like this with a black horizontal line. The first red arrow is 31st August 2020. This is 4-hour chart, but we can see this is the closing price. And amazingly, on the 14th and 15th September, the gold rose to 1968 or something above the 31st August. So when the video was made in, I guess, 13th of September, you can see that this is like a midway of the bullish trend in this cycle. Of course, I'm looking for the bullish opportunity more than the bearish. So there's an upside around like 250, 1950 to 1970 is around 200 plus pips, right? That time. Then it gave me around $6,000 for trade. But you know that gold is moving in heavy sideways, especially after the Fed meetings to maintain the interest rate. I don't really like the movement. Then for next week, we have several astro cycle here that can be used as a reference. It shows that the gold will be moving sideways to upside, and the price on 22nd to 24 September 2020 should be closed higher than the 15 or 17 September closing price. So according to that cycle, Moon and Sun angle, geocentric, and also Moon, Mercury, and Venus this time again, it's showing that the 17th September to 24 September should be an upside. It means the closing price on the 17th of September should be lower than the closing price on the 24th. Then if you plot in this chart, right, the purple line is the 17th September closing price. So let's see around here. This is the 17th September. Yep, 17th September is around here. So let's drag it down. So around 1940, the gold must rises higher than 1940 on 24th of September. That's number one. And number two, the other cycle shows that the gold must be higher than the 15th September closing price. I'm still using the 4-hour chart, guys. So here the 15 is around 1953. On the 22nd, whatever it takes, right? The gold must be higher than the 15th September closing price. Provided we have like a week time frame for now, the 22nd and the 24th. So we're looking for another resistance here. So let's move this resistance. The highest probability is the 1973. That's a strong resistance. And this 1989 is also resistance. So I'm using the ghost candle from ghost field from the trading view. Let's do a little simulation. Let's say is that the gold is really want to break out and it's gonna bullish, right? We can expect the price is higher than 1953 on the 22nd. So according to this strategy, I'm gonna do this as my trading plan. I will be looking for buying opportunity as long as the price is below 1953, or if I can get a false breakout below 1940, that will be a very good price to buy according this cycle correlation, because I'm using 7 cycles before this, and it's 100% upside movement on the past 7 cycles. So we can expect this time the price will also work well, and if we can buy below 1953 or 1940, we can still hold it until the 22nd or 24th September. I really hope that the price will be higher than the 15th of September closing price. Okay, So let's take a look to the price action analysis. I will give you little tips on this kind of movement. If you are looking to the chart and the price is moving sideways from the right to left, you see the price is going nowhere. It's only like upside border and downside border. We call this a heavy sideways. I don't have any idea why the FOMC meeting gave no breakout result to gold. Maybe it's waiting for another cycle, but we know that the 17th of September, there's a moon pace cycle over there. Most of the time that will be a reversal. So let's take a look to the daily chart. The 17th, one of the moon pace, okay, the new moon pace on the 17th, gold formed a long wick over here at the EMA 34 and reject. Then the next day, the 18th of September, the price is moving inside this red engulfing candle. Okay, it's creating a bullish harami. So based on this formation, we can assume that the bottom formation more than likely will happen this week. That's why let's back to 4-hour chart. My plan for next week, all right? I'm not gonna take any risk to buy around this area because I already have positioned. I don't know whether I can make a profit on that position or not because it's like in the middle of the sideways. I think I did a mistake to enter this trade, but next week I'm gonna do a recovery trade, and let's see. I will just enter the market after the price breaks this consolidation, okay, near to the resistance. If the price retests this base or consolidation and going up, then there will be a huge lot for that. This is 4-hour time frame, and when the price decided to go down lower than this breakout area, I'm waiting for the retest on the H4 or 4-hourly chart and going sell. What is the target? You can see here a lot of wick, a very long wick candle, and I doubt that the price will break and close below this wick. So we're looking for 1909. It's just like previous analysis. It's still valid. The gold is still moving in the sideways movement. This is the best chance I can do. So how the financial astrology helps you? Again, it gives you information that the 1940 and 1953 is most likely will be the bottom price on the 22nd or 24th. When the gold moving inside the sideways, I plan to buy below that two prices. I will using the false break strategies. Let me show you when I change to the hourly chart. Then if I'm looking for the false breakout, we're looking for this price, 1943. And remember, the purple line is the 17th September closing price. Should you have a false breakout, let's say gold down below this, especially around this week, and it shows the false break, I'm gonna buy at that point, okay, with very tight stop loss, and I'm do the ranging trading in the middle of the sideways, of course, right? But since you know that the price is closing below 1953, which is that the closing price of the 15th September, I'm also looking for the bullish opportunity without doing the false break. I set a trend line here. We can see that the price touched the trend line and created double wick, the pin bar. All right. Whenever the price can maintain the primary and secondary, we assume this is the bullish bias inside the sideways. I guess when the rejection comes through this trend line on Monday, I can do a buy position and sell it around 1972, since this is very, very strong resistance, right? Combining with the Fibonacci, assuming that this is the bottoms around here. So the Fibonacci 2.24 become a conjunction with the multiple wicks, multiple rejection over here. Then as a conclusion for gold, I'm looking for the false breakout on the strong support. And if I can get a price lower than 1953 or 1940, I will do a buy. The confirmation will be around 22nd September or 24th September. My target price will be 1971. The alternative plan, should gold decided to break down this major sideways movement, I'll do this plan. I'm still waiting for a retest and another sell, doing final take profit 1909. All right, so this is the major plan of gold. I don't know what position you're gonna take. Hopefully you can learn how to handle this heavy sideways. I'll do more updates in the Billionaire Challenge Trading Club. If you're interested to join our club for Billionaire Challenge, this is a special program. You can contact this number, right? You can chat how to join this program and get the updates about my personal plan. Because everybody can make their own challenge. You don't have to be like $50,000 like me. You can start from $50 even, or start from $500. You set a target, maybe $2,000 or $3,000 as your target. Challenge yourself. Make a good trading plan, because the trading plan will help you to make a better and safer trading, right? Okay, the other scenario is if gold doesn't work well. I'm looking for the Canadian dollar. Even though this is sideways, price is moving inside the consolidation. The consolidation is really wide at this price. It's around this price, really wide. The best strategy on this consolidation is I'm waiting for the false break. So now it's 1.32. Let's wait until the price back to 1.3240. There's really low volatility in a 4-hour chart. This kind of rectangle pattern is only like 40 pips around here. So let's wait until the false break comes. I'll do the counter trend trade on the sideways movement. Of course, a lot of multiple rejection on the wicks here, 1.313. That will be my profit target. I'll put the Canadian dollars to my watch list. Okay. Now the euro yen. The best strategy of the trend trading is looking where is the consolidation. This is the big consolidation. Multiple rejection over there, and also here is the end of the sideways. The 4-hourly chart can shows you this is the major sideways movement has broken by 16th of September. Now the trend is moving on the bearish bias. And the euro yen making another base level. I guess the consolidation will be continued for another 18 to 36 hours, 18 to 36 hours, then continue, breaks down to the next strong support, right? So this will be my optional trade. We're looking for another resistance in hourly chart. Let's see hourly chart in euro yen. Okay, this is the pattern. The price rejects after hit the base here. And the trend still down, is making lower peak. The stochastic shows a bearish reversal. Then it's a higher likely I can do this, sell. So watch for the retest. Okay. And drop down. So it looks like a head and shoulder over here. The sell trade, you can see this as a bearish pennant or head and shoulder, but definitely the trend is 45 degrees down. I think the bearish bias is stronger. I will only reverse to buy position if the price takes out 124.31. Whenever you see the price is moving and closing higher than 124.3, I'll change to buy, and the price target will be 120, around base here, 125.7. Okay, so this is my option for now. I'm not sure whether I can add another pairs, but for now, Euro Yen, Canadian dollars, and gold market will be my trading plan for next week. Okay, that's all my trading plan. Hopefully I can make 10 grands next week. I need you to pray for me. Okay, then I definitely will make one video, maybe live trading or just a trading video, okay? Including step by step, how I enter the market, what's my consideration and decision making on that. So as a disclaimer, again, this is my personal trading plan. I don't want you to follow this without any preparation or a same perception to the market. I'm using the Astronacci on the moon trading, planetary cycles to give me a reference where the price is gonna go in the specific date. If you don't really understand about that, just call us and join our Billionaire Club, because if you're following this trade without my guidance, it's most likely you're gonna lose the money, and we are not taking any responsibility on your losses. Remember, forex trading, gold trading, and other derivative trading is very high risk markets. Not everybody, not the beginners, can make money on this part. So let's make this as my personal trading plan and give you another reference how to do a price action, combine that with financial astrology through Astronacci. Hope you enjoy, make money next week. See you in the next video. Astronacci make you rich with astrology trading.